Wisconsin. Also a new graduate from high school in May. This tractor is just a little over a year old. It's a John Deere 4455.
That's definitely. They don't let you sit down unless you get to 7. Hey, you gotta jump back out.
The Simonsons are farmers up there in Wilton.
Well, I let these folks sit down and found out afterwards they're red people.
Again, thank you to our sponsors, Scott Implement out of Plateville. These are all the tri-state sponsors that help us put on. This is stop number 12 of 18 for us this year.
It don't matter, the green's out full and they
Like I said, next Saturday we'll be over in Lansing in Iowa. The following weekend, Friday night, we're in Lancaster at the Grant County Fair. Saturday night, we're up in Caledonia, Minnesota at the Houston County Fair up there. And it wasn't for these sponsors to help us put these shows on night in and night out. Also, Priority Use Vegetable Oil out of Muscadet, Wisconsin. Red Rim and Shine, Heitman Tractor Salvage out of Durand, Wisconsin. Later on the night, you're going to see Mr. Mark Heitman himself. Dalton Simonson, Wilton, Wisconsin, going after Flux is sitting at 3, 10, and 8. The mark for Mr. Simonson, 3:09 and 4. Mr. Redix was at 3:09 even. So we have 4 inches right now between second and third.